Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna be learning how to log into Plants vs Zombies 2 with an EA account. If you want to save your Plants vs Zombies 2's progress or play on multiple devices, then here is how. Launch open the Plants vs Zombie 2 application on your mobile device. Once you end up in the main screen, tap on the cloud icon at the bottom left corner. Now here you will be able to see your registered accounts. To log in with EA, go and tap on register email button, this one over here, and this will take you to sign into your EA accounts tab. Enter your email address associated with your EA account in the text box. Once done, if you want to stay signed in, check on this little keep me signed in box. If not, leave the box unchecked and then tap on send code. You'll receive a verification code sent to your email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and type in the code in the text box. You'll receive an email from EA, open it up, copy the code, get back to Plants vs Zombies 2 app and then paste in the code, and finally click submit. Once you do that, you will be able to log into Plants vs Zombie 2 with your Electronic Arts account. You will see a confirmation message that says profile registered reward. You'll receive a reward for linking the profile. Click on continue and that's it. If you are using multiple devices, log into the same EA account on each one to sync your progress. You are safely logged into Plants vs Zombies 2 using your EA account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.